All right, everybody, we are here, Road Atlanta, Formula Drift, GridLife, special stage, some really cool stuff. Look at this Corvette. Really cool stuff. We're gonna be shooting some drifting tonight. The GridLife stuff is done, but we're gonna be shooting some Formula Drift tonight. It's almost Formula Drift prospect time. We are here, turn 10. Fans are out. It's packed, man. This event's really cool for the spectators, really cool for the people. You got some paddock access. You got some cool shots here. Just met up with a couple photographers. Kind of showed them some cool spots. It's their first time at the track. This track's so cool though. One of my favorite things about a place like Road Atlanta is that you do not need media credentials. When I first got into this, I went to so many events as a non-credential photographer, and that's one of the things I love about it, is that you can still get your reps, you can still get close, you can still get to see the cars, and you don't have to have media credentials. So it's a good way to get out and practice and really learn the industry. And you meet so many cool people at events like this. The Formula Drift stuff's not really kind of my vibe, but the environment of being around like-minded individuals is fun to be a part of. So we're about to get started here. I'm done talking. Now it's time to show you some cool fucking drift cars. So right now we're heading back to the car. We're gonna grab a couple things. They're doing the break. They're doing a break. They're doing full course drift. So head back to the car. Got to change some batteries. Man, I mean, it's good weather too. So we're gonna grab something from the car. We're gonna change some batteries. We're gonna take a little break, and then get in position for the rest of Formula Drift Prospect. Seeing T-Pain drift is super cool because he only gets better every single time he's out on the track.
All the way from South Africa. Stay on up. I know it's a little more all the way over there. And take down SA. Non-stop tuning in. Get to the outside side. You can just see that wall of smoke. If you go from that 7 row up to the outside to the formation, brings it back down. You can see the actual elevation.
Here Formula Drift. We got the Rush series going on right now, which is pretty cool. But I'm going to take you down close, and you're going to see one of the coolest series here this weekend. Right after the Rush series, we had this insane battle for first. These three cars were battling for what felt like at least 6 laps. You know, looking back on it, this should have been an indicator that I was in a pretty insane spot, because this happened shortly.
Started off very clean. Higa using those rumble strips to really. And what we saw previously in Rat Den, oh, what a save. What a save. That could have been absolutely brutal.
Yeah, both.
5, right there. You can imagine just the power and weight ratio here. I don't know how loud it is, but the power here from Ryan Phillip and the and then the shot is right. Nobody's off, she's looking Chasing down, 1, 2, 3,
a wrap on Formula Drift. What a final. What an event. But that concludes 3 straight weeks of motorsports. Lots of travel involved. But I'm excited for a much needed break. So we're gonna get out of here. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. See y'all in the next one.